I am Captain Randhir Singh. I am a master mariner, presently retired, and staying in Jaipur, Hanuman Nagar for the last 25 years, and got this lift installed about 1 year ago. It is quite safe not only for my children. I find my dog also getting into that, so they love to go in the lift, and my mother, who is almost 90 years old now, and my wife who has got knee issues. Earlier they hardly used to go up on the top floors to even sit in the sun or anything, but now they can use the lift, or for any other functions or anything we need to go on the rooftop, they easily access there. So it has definitely changed their life quite a lot in the past 1 year. First thing was, of course, the safety features. Secondly, it gels with the interiors, and this is one which I could easily install in my present setup. I did not have to do much modifications in my house to install this. The lights had gone out. It automatically went down to the lower level, and instead of people getting stuck, they knew that they could go down. And secondly, the feeling of claustrophobia was not there. When my daughter first time she experienced the light out, she was not at all worried. Otherwise, normally she or anybody else could have started screaming. So that is what made me feel quite happy about it. Even the color, which matches my stairs, you can see stairwell, quite nicely it gels with my furniture and furnishings and everything. I tried various models, various other things, and aesthetic was the one thing which kept on delaying it. And when we saw this particular thing, immediately the decision was taken. It has made things convenient for them, and even for my friends and extended family, when they visit, they feel it was made for each other kind of thing for my house.